Fun fact, water can exist in all three states of matter at the same time. In chemistry, every compound has what's called a triple point, which is when it can exist as all three states of matter, gas, solid, and liquid, and is dependent upon the pressure and temperature, which is different for each substance. The reason that temperature affects this triple point is because temperature will, of course, affect melting, freezing, and all the other transition states because it's giving kinetic energy to all the molecules within the compound, and that kinetic energy is what changes those states of matter. Pressure also plays an effect because it controls how densely packed a lot of those atoms can be, and that essentially is all that states of matter are, is how much space are between the atoms. Here we have a pressure-temperature diagram, which again is different for each compound. You'll see some of the common lines that you might recognize, such as melting and freezing between solids and liquids, vaporization and condensation between gas and liquids, and maybe slightly less known, sublimation and deposition, directly between gas and solids. Now, these lines all affect between temperature and pressure. There's two main points to notice though. First is critical points, which we won't talk about for now, but the one that we want to look at is the triple point, where all three lines intersect. This triple point is the exact right combination of pressure and temperature where it's thermodynamically favorable to have all three states of matter coexisting. For water, that's at about 0.01 degrees Celsius and 0.006 atmospheres. This here is a video from the University of California, Santa Cruz, and you'll notice that we have all three states of matter coexisting at one time. This is water at its triple point. Isn't that interesting? Isn't that fun?